This slick little sedan is the 2018 Volkswagen GTI Autobahn edition, which means it's a fast turbocharged vehicle. Volkswagen is coming out with some pretty modern products these days, and this one is the sportiest of the entire Volkswagen lineup. The Autobahn. In other words, it's meant for racing, or it's meant for fast driving. And with the turbocharged 220 horsepower engine, it delivers exactly on that promise. So the Volkswagen GTI Autobahn, it's filled with safety features as well. It's got lane departure warning, it's got a pedestrian monitor, it's got parking pilot, it's got many different safety features as you zip around in this GTI Autobahn edition from Volkswagen. For a little vehicle, this Volkswagen GTI packs a big punch. It's got the turbocharged 220 horsepower engine, which will get up and go. For such a small vehicle, you can really punch out some quick starts in this GTI. It also has a hatchback that opens up to seats that fold down in a 60-40 split to fold into a flat floor. So you've got a lot of room for carrying large items. The other day I had a whole bundle of 12-foot long bamboo sticks that I was carrying, and they were able to fit in there perfectly. They fit right through the center of the two front seats, and there was plenty of room to hold these 12-foot long sticks of bamboo. It also has a nice cover that will cover anything that you have, keep it out of sight, that you have sitting in the back, so prying eyes will not see what you have in your trunk of your 2018 VW Golf GTI Autobahn edition. Very fun.